The American SUV obsession is in full swing, and automakers are coming up with innovative methods to stay relevant in a market that is becoming more and more competitive. When it comes to larger models, finding the right balance between performance and usability is no easy task, and every manufacturer approaches it differently. If the manufacturers want to flourish, they must take into account and include the introduction of EVs as a new layer into their business plans and strategies. As 2023 gets underway, it appears that Mazda has acknowledged and acted upon each of these points. The 2024 Mazda CX-90, which was unveiled in January of this year, is guaranteed to be recognized as the SUV that redefined the industry and kept it relevant. Mazda's brand new CX-90 three-row SUV is anticipated to cause quite a stir on the market. The all-new CX-90 will be a force to be reckoned with because it has the room to precisely fit even the largest families, seating for up to 8, in addition to a stylish design, a brand new engine lineup made up of hybrids, and a sleek exterior. And so, what makes the CX-90 stand out from the competition? Let's find out. There is enough space on board the 2024 CX-90 for everyone and everything. A bigger family necessitates a bigger car, it's a simple fact of life. Up to 8 people can comfortably fit in the Mazda CX-90's 3 rows of plush seats, each of which has plenty of legroom. The panoramic moonroof doesn't interfere with the amount of overhead room for passengers. For more customization for each and every customer, the second row can either be set up as a bench seat or 2 captain's chairs. It's perfect for storing groceries or hiking gear in the trunk because it's so roomy. Considering the rows of seats and baggage capacity, the car is undoubtedly big, but the CX-90's design prevents it from looking overly enormous or boxy. Without losing any functionality, the CX-90 provides great comfort through the use of space. There are several 2024 CX-90 trim models available. People enjoy having options to choose from, and this is especially true when purchasing a car. For the CX-90, Mazda provides 8 distinct trim levels, satisfying the needs of anyone shopping for a 3-row SUV. Lower-end CX-90 models continue to offer a wide range of features, with the exception of a few modern amenities like the sunroof slide-back functionality that turn the SUV from a dependable one to an elegant one. The biggest distinction between the base model and S variants of the Mazda CX-90 is a significant increase in horsepower. The CX-90S can produce up to 340 horsepower, while the non-S variants will deliver a solid 280 horsepower. The CX-90 is priced from $39,595 to $59,950, depending on the model, ranging from the entry-level L to the top-tier S. Mazda's interior of the CX-90 upholds its reputation for sophistication. Mazda has worked very hard in recent years to improve the comfort, style, and luxury of their vehicles. Obviously, the CX-90 makes this quite clear. This design reflects the refined Kodo design philosophy, which is also present in the smaller CX-60. The CX-90 is loaded with smart features that one cannot help but enjoy in an effort to move things upscale. These components are what Mazda refers to as harmonious details, and they are very proud of them. Real maple wood and dark brushed metal are the materials selected to create a mix of nature and technology throughout the inside, and this theme is carried out throughout the remainder of the SUV. The abundant natural light that the moonroof lets in balances out the enormous digital center display, a popular piece of technology in contemporary automobiles. The Kakenui dashboard stitching, an optional adornment that produces a lovely pattern between the seams of leather on the dashboard, is one special feature. The CX-90's exterior is additionally influenced by the refinement. SUVs have a chance of becoming monotonous, unsightly, or both. Making a stylish vehicle that can comfortably fit more than 4 passengers can be challenging. But it's evident that Mazda has the framework for an attractive SUV. The CX-90's strong profile, which commands respect and your attention, makes it easy to recognize. One of the stunning colors that the CX-90 is available in makes it the true focal point of the exterior. It absolutely needs to be seen to be believed, but Mazda created a brand new red tint specifically for the CX-90. Artisan Red Premium is the color, and when the automobile travels down the street, it virtually changes color. Every time an owner approaches their CX-90, a different shade of red may be seen since it changes color in response to cloud cover and sunshine. The 2024 CX-90 is filled with a wide variety of high-tech devices. One advantage of technology is that it enables automakers to create safer vehicles. With the CX-90, Mazda keeps up its excellent track record of promoting safety through the use of technology. iActiveSense, a collection of radar and sensors that are all designed to keep the driver aware of the road and their surroundings, is included with every model. In order to ensure the driver's visibility at all times, the CX-90 also uses facial recognition technology to automatically adjust the driver's seat to a specified position. The CX-90 has a ton of technology that is also built for comfort, like wireless phone charging and the top-notch Bose audio system. Each passenger has a personal air vent and a USB outlet for charging electronics. The Mazda CX-90's engine is an absolute powerhouse. The engine that powers the CX-90 is a masterpiece from Mazda. The 3.3-liter inline-six is not just absurdly powerful for an SUV, but it is also Mazda's most potent engine to date. This 48-volt hybrid system is combined with an intimidating 340 horsepower inline-six to increase fuel efficiency. In contrast, the prized MX-5 engine from Mazda produces 181 horsepower, which the new inline-six devours. Due to its reliability and speed capabilities, the CX-90 becomes a highly sought-after SUV at an era when there is an abundance of SUVs. This new inline-six, which is Mazda's most powerful engine, will likely be used in a variety of vehicles. It was an unexpected move from Mazda to put their most powerful engine in an SUV before anything else. The CX-90 should provide great driving characteristics because it has an all-wheel drive system with a rear-wheel bias. The CX-90 outperforms the competition thanks to its new engine. When comparing one Mazda to another, the CX-90 definitely shines. The CX-90 utterly crushes its Japanese counterparts thanks to its new inline-six engine. Comparing the CX-90 to the Toyota 4Runner, which has a V6 engine with 270 horsepower, highlights this. When compared to the Subaru Ascent, it produces 260 horsepower versus 340 for the CX-90. The Mazda has a significant advantage in terms of horsepower. The CX-90 allows them to wield 340 horsepower in ultimate comfort and elegance, but you will have to pay a little more for these fantastic performance figures. The Mazda CX-90 has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Previously, people believed that a pickup truck was the only reliable way to haul something. However, Mazda has come to change that. Owners of the CX-90 can tow up to 3,500 pounds with the base model and up to 5,000 pounds with the trim model. Mazda is outperforming its competition with this feature. The inline-six in the CX-90s is rated for 24 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Families can now bring the jet ski along with the rest of the family to the beach in addition to taking the entire family. A plug-in hybrid CX-90 is currently available. Mazda also offers an electric CX-90 to condense its principles into one audacious vehicle. The plug-in hybrid is marginally less powerful than its 3.3-liter sibling, producing 323 horsepower from a 2.5-liter engine linked with a 68-kilowatt motor. But there is not much of a difference. The hybrid nevertheless has a towing capacity of more than 3,500 pounds, can accommodate 8 people without difficulty, and makes each journey pleasant and comfortable. The CX-90 can be fully charged to 80% capacity in as little as 90 minutes using a 240-volt AC charger, making charging the 17.8 kWh battery a breeze. Despite the fact that Mazda has not yet disclosed the fuel economy estimates, it is safe to assume that they will maintain the CX-90 competitive in the hybrid and electric vehicle markets. Without a doubt, the Mazda CX-90 will be a unique SUV in 2024. Mazda intended to give customers something exceptional, and it succeeded in doing so in a market where there are several makes and models and more are being introduced daily. This spring will mark the release of the CX-90, and all trim variants will be offered. And sir, did you fall in love with the 2024 Mazda CX-90? Let us know in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.